Certain web applications work better on your specific browsers. Now, if you have a Chrome as your default browser, but you want to access a particular site using Microsoft Edge through a desktop shortcut or use a Firefox-specific website icon, creating a shortcut to a web document won't work. However, you can follow these steps to open a URL with a non-default browser shortcut. So to start, right-click a blank area of the desktop, select New, then choose Shortcut. Now for the location, type the path to the browser you wish to use, followed by the URL you wish to open. Once done, select Next, then provide the name for the shortcut, and you will probably want to use the name of the website in most cases. Then choose Finish. And with that, you have now created a shortcut that will open the website in a specific web browser, no matter what the default browser is set in Windows. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.